There comes a time in every man's life when he asks himself, am I living the life I should be? Or the one I truly want? Who do I want to be? What is the life I want to have? I see it like this. Life alone can be short, but we have the power to make it special. I feel like there's so much to experience out there. Travel, explore, dive into the unknown. Climb mountains, jump from an airplane, taste new foods, meet other cultures. No regrets, no what-ifs. Because when it's all said and done, you want to be able to look back and say, wow, what a journey. Here is the beginning of mine.